How to use Claude AI with Google Docs. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Claude AI with Google Docs. So let's get started. So first, you need to ensure that your documents are stored in your Google Drive because we don't have a direct link from Claude to Google Docs, but you can connect it to your drive. So you need to make sure your documents rely in your drive. And then you're going to open Claude AI and sign into your account. Then you're going to simply open your sidebar. You'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to go with customize. Simply click on customize and you'll be redirected to your customization menu. So over here, you're going to click on connectors and then click on add over here and click on browse connectors. Over here, you're going to search for Google Drive. If you're not able to find it, you're going to simply click on the search bar at the top and type in Google Drive. Press enter and now here we have is Google Drive. Simply click on that and you'll be able to see a connect button. Once you click on that, you'll be able to see Google Drive has been connected. Now, in order to use Claude AI with Google Docs, you're gonna simply click on a new chat. And over here, right next to the prompt box, you'll be able to see a plus icon. So you're going to click on connectors over here and then click on add from Google Drive. And you'll be able to see all of the documents over here. So simply select the document and type in any prompt to Claude in order to make changes in that Google Doc. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.